Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is you're going to replicate values and create a facsimile of this drawing. So basically I want you to create 4 forms using value, and all you're going to do is make a copy of this, okay? And then you're going to fill it in with value. So there are 2 ways you could do this. If you want to take it up to a light source and, you know, trace these, I'm okay with that. If you want to, you know, if you take it up to a window or whatever and you want to trace the outside, just make sure if you trace the outside you do it really lightly, because the thing is, if you trace this on the outside, it's going to look like a shape rather than a form, because this is not meant to be outlined. The light is hitting it here and you can barely see that edge. If you make an edge there, it's going to look like your cube was lined with Sharpie. If you want to also do this, you're welcome to use a piece of masking tape or a roll of masking tape to create the circle for your circle, for instance. But these don't need to be any bigger than a piece of copy paper. If you have a sketchbook, that'll work too. What you're going to do is you're just going to start filling in value. And you're basically going to replicate from here to here. And there's going to be soft values and light values. So hard edges, there's going to be hard edges and soft edges. So this is a soft edge, right? And it gets darker, darker, darker gradually. The light is hitting it here, and then it's getting darker, darker, darker to here. And then I do want you to replicate the shadow. If you want this to look kind of soft, you can go in circularly to create that value, and that will make that appear softer. This right here is a hard edge. So in other words, it's dark against light. And that's what's called a hard edge. So I want you to really pay attention. Am I doing a hard edge or a soft edge? Right here, this is ridiculously light, and some of this you can barely even see the edge of, because that's where the light is hitting that cube. So I want gradual value. I want you to replicate the value on these. If you want to take them to a tracing table, you can. I am going to create a sphere and show you how that works.